Infinite Gains, back again with another GME and AMC update. So yeah, we had a really good close on AMC. We closed above the 200 SMA. As you can see, we had this kind of triangle thing that was inside of this pennant, right? That we actually ended up kind of breaking out of at the end of the day there. So yeah, I mean, we broke out of this little triangle. We can just kind of remove that. It's not that important now. We did close the day above the 200 SMA. You were seeing a decline in volume. Let's see here. We put on volume. We actually were seeing so a decline in volume right here as the Bollinger Bands right here. We put those on. So those were getting like extremely tight on AMC, and then you were kind of just bouncing back and forth right on the 50 SMA. So this orange line right here is the 50 SMA. You were kind of just bouncing back and forth. You shot up to the 20 SMA. Boom, you saw a volume spike right at the end of the day. So you saw a volume spike at the end of the day, and you closed above the 200 SMA. I mean, things are looking pretty good. Things are looking pretty freaking good. So kind of the next thing is to blast above that 200, really get some momentum going, and then kind of be able to close above this pennant, right? So that's kind of the next step there, is to really just shoot up out of this pennant and above that 200 SMA. So I mean, yeah, things are looking pretty good for AMC. Just pay attention to that 200 SMA. I mean, we have to stay above it. Yeah, we've gotten above it multiple times, but it's been extreme resistance, kind of been knocking us back down. So we do need some, like, seeing that volume spike is a very, very good thing, because you're pushing through it with confirmation, like with volume. So that is kind of what you want to see. You want to see a continuation of that into tomorrow. So things could be looking very, 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 very good for AMC. We look at GME. GME is still kind of trading in this channel. Yeah. We can just remove that. So we have like this little channel here for GME. You are breaking through the value area high right here at 22.23. Hopefully using that as support. Let's see, we can put on the stock RSI. We've kind of already been through that, but RSI is kind of interesting. Let's see, we are on the 5 minute. You can create some kind of flag pattern like this. That would be kind of interesting. So you do have like this kind of flagging pattern on the RSI. Maybe we can continue higher. Let's see, we can go to the 1 hour, something like that. Oh, before I continue the video, if you are still watching, join the Discord, because I do call outs, which is kind of a new thing in the Discord, but let's see. This is my gains update channel. So I did post SPY earlier. I posted a SPY video right here. So, and I was like, hey, gap fill at the red line, then chop into data, and I kind of posted this little potential ghost feed for the SPY. Scroll down, we had a SPY update, target hit perfectly, boom. We look at SPY, we hit the target. So I mean, I do like kind of updates like that. If you want me to do a custom stock, then I'll look into it. I'll post my thoughts on it. None of it's financial advice, but I am doing like updates. We are chatting about AMC and GME in the Discord, and it's much easier for me to kind of be able to update you or like kind of give you information, because people are my YouTube comments like, yo, what's the all-time high gonna look like, or you know, when you think this is going to happen. You know, it's much easier to be able to communicate and tell you in the Discord. So make sure you join that. It's going to be like it's gonna be in the comments, right? So I'll put it in the comments. It's gonna be in this description here. Join the Discord, and then it's gonna be in my channel bio right here, right? So it has a Discord and everything. So make sure to join that. But anyways, let's continue the video. So SPY, yeah, SPY is probably, if you, well, actually overnight you're gonna be trading ES, which is SPY futures. So we go to the September contract. We are actually hitting resistance at this 20 SMA on ES. So it's probably not going to do a lot. I'm kind of more inclined to the downside. Maybe you tag. Like, I honestly would not be trading the overnight session before CPI data because it's normally just hot garbage. It just trades or it picks one direction. It doesn't really do much. So I would be paying attention to London. So whenever London opens at around 3 o'clock in the morning, you'll probably start getting some more volatility into about 8:30 when the CPI data drops. I think it's at 8:30. So I'd be paying attention to that for the S&P 500. So yeah, we covered GME, SPY, AMC. Pretty much the whole video is that we just have a pretty positive outlook here. I mean, we're breaking out of this triangle. We're breaking out of this triangle. You see, let's see, we go to the 1 day. So your RSI is actually crossed up and it's below the midline, so it has a lot of room to kind of go here. You can maybe create some kind of trend like this, right? And kind of like this triangle to back to the upside. Your daily, we're on the daily. Your stock RSI is getting higher, right? So we can peek out. Your MACD is about to cross to the upside. I mean, look how close we are. Look how close we are to crossing, and you do have a double bottom. So you have a double bottom on your MACD. You're about to cross up, and then it's like the last time that we crossed up, guys, was right here before we had this huge run up, and we're about to cross up again. So yeah, things, you could say things are looking pretty good. You know, I don't want to do dates. I don't want to do like, yo, MOASS tomorrow, MOASS, like, we're gonna be at $800 tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I don't know what exactly is gonna happen, but we just take it day by day, and things are looking pretty freaking good. So probably resistance here, this like kind of high volume node right here at around, actually the 50 SMA is around $25. So you might see resistance at $25, pretty much above that 50 SMA. You're probably mooning, so I'd pay attention to the 50 SMA. Probably moon above that. AMC, break out of this pennant with some volume, like a lot of movement, a lot of volatility, and man, like it's probably lift off. It's probably lift off at that point. So yeah, things are looking good. I just want to do a little quick update. Hey, let me do Bitcoin. I want to do crypto. That's what I wanted to update you guys on. So we'll do, why am I on futures? What is this? Let me just delete all this. Bitcoin US dollar. So if we do look here, your 20 SMA right here, this blue line is about to cross below your 200. Your 50 SMA, this orange line here, is already crossed below your 200. So things are looking pretty bearish. You're getting some rejection here at this $61,449 level here in the short term, and you got this multiple rejections from your 200 SMA, and then now your 50 SMA, and these things are about to cross down. So really, this thing looks pretty, I mean, it looks extremely bearish. Like if we go to a higher time frame, like 4 hour, I mean, things just look horrible. I mean, you've like had this little fake out below the 200, and then now you dip back down, and now like retesting the 200, and then rejection, and like that could take you down pretty bad. If you do see like a continuation down, if we remove the SMAs and then we put on so we can put on this support band made with a 21 weekly EMA, and then the 21 weekly SMA here, and then we have to go up to a weekly time frame. We scroll down, we zoom out, and you can see that we are seeing a rejection right here at the support bands, which is extremely bearish. So yeah, crypto looks bearish. The only thing that can save crypto at this point, you know, maybe we get extremely good CPI data. Maybe it's like, oh, hey, inflation's actually good, which is complete bullshit. Inflation's horrible. But, I mean, maybe we do get some good data. It's like a miracle. And SPY continues back to the upside. Can save crypto. Probably not. I mean, at this point, crypto and the whole market kind of looks extremely bearish. If we do look at XRP, so we look at XRP, yeah, we got another rejection off of this trend line here. It's really just a huge, it's just a huge bear flag all the way down to like 20 cents. And then you complete your pennant and then you can shoot up. So that's my idea on crypto. We're bearish. Pay attention to SPY. Yeah, things could get bullish. You know, SPY starts pumping real hard or something. But other than that, it's pretty much cooked. But that's it. That's the entire video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to